Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com, Monday, 25 August, and I hope you had a nice weekend. We're sponsored by the ArcLight Summit. Register now for the 16-17 event in Dallas. If you enjoy Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. I'm back from Anaheim from a very successful conference. On Saturday, I was humbled and honored to be the moderator of a brainstorming session to focus on problems of the industry. We had about 150 people to participate, and as you can imagine, they were quite vocal. We will have more on this session throughout the fall with some of the details. In addition, after the conference ended, I was hanging out at the pool. We were talking about the progress report, ran into a board member. He told me about the fix. They've already got a fix for next year. In fact, they had the fix for this year. There just wasn't enough time to implement it. Progress report was the only weakness of this conference, and I'm so happy to hear that they're ready to improve it next year. Overall, it's one of the best IES conferences I've attended in the last 10 years. The IES Awards honored leadership, service, and innovation in lighting. There were many highlights, including the Presidential Awards and the DSA Awards. Chip Israel received the Louis B. Marks Award. Kevin Hauser earned the IES medal. Read more at edisonreport.com. At the conference, there were many workshops. I attended several of them, or at least portions of several of them, one of which was the Dolly workshop. Carol Jones stressed tool convergence, workflow choices, and the importance of training, commissioning, and disciplined design for effective lighting outcomes. There was also talk about a certification for Dolly. They may not certify, but they'll do something similar. The DLC is accepting self-nominations through 3 October for its Industry Advisory Committee, seeking small manufacturers, specifiers, and distributors to help guide lighting quality, innovation, and energy savings technology advancement. Remember, you can't complain if you don't participate. On Friday, Chairman Powell hinted about interest rate reductions, and the market loved it. The Dow gained 846 points, NASDAQ was up 396, and Acuity gained $12.40. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great week. Pray for peace.